Hello folks, Rob Fenwick here, and I am at the boat warehouse again on Bath Road in Kingston. It's not as nice a day today, but it is nice and mild. A little bit of rain, but you gotta have it sometimes, right? And I'm here with Jake Mayhew. Jake, how you doing, fella?
Good, how you doing?
Good to see you, pal. So we've been talking a lot about a lot of boats you got here, and you've got a ton of them. But I'd like to do a quick scan through on just a bit of the glass you got in the front row.
Yeah.
And I know that glass, aluminum, everybody has their preference, but man, these glass boats are gorgeous. So what have you got in the front row?
So starting out with a Four Winds 190, which is this guy here.
Nice.
So we do a lot of classic color schemes, but we also bring everything in a sport model as well. So if you like classic colors, if you like blue, if you like gray, if you like black, if you like red, we've got it. If you like it in a sport model, something brighter, something louder, we have that as well. Merc, Volvo. We do Merc outboards as well. We'll do Yamaha outboards. Just depends on what you're looking at.
This one here is a 190.
This guy, the next guy beside it in navy and silver here is an HD 180, which is a new model. So that's an outboard. So you're going to see a lot of outboard glass coming out in the next little while. Obviously, quiet, fuel efficient technology and outboards now has come up in the last couple of years. So becoming more popular.
Of course, of course. So the outboards is funny. For the longest time, inboards were the way to go. Then outboards are starting to come back in their way, and you got everything. So whatever your preference is, it's here. It's here. Right. I love this blue. I mean, by now you figured out I'm a bit of a fan of the blue. I don't know. I'm just traditional in that blue, but I love this navy. It's just, I don't know. Maybe it's because I love water. That's part of it, I guess. And this was an outboard here. It's a 115 on this boat. That's a nice power plant for this size of boat. I'll bet you this skips along really nicely. This one here, over here, is how big? This is a 200?
So this is an HD 200. So the HD models now are a bigger style deck with a deck boat top. They have traditional V-hull,
right, with
a deck boat top. So you're not losing any smoothness of ride, but you're gaining a lot of interior space. So you're gaining width all the way up to the bow.
Right. That was on. There was one of these on display at the Kingston show, Kingston Boat Show, and I did a no vocals, no words walk around on it. Just kind of walk through it. So, folks, if you want to see this, the HD 200, just check out that other video. I just kind of wandered through it. Beautiful, beautiful boat, nicely set out. I love it. I love it. And of course, you don't just carry Four Winds. You've got the Scarab.
Yeah, so we've got Scarab Jet. So if you remember Scarab from Miami Vice, same company, but now they're doing a standalone jet boat. So still the same manufacturer. They also make Wellcraft Scarab, which is your center console, which we'll get to over in the back of the
Oh yeah, that's right. The centers, yeah, they're gorgeous too. And folks, jet boats, I mean, obviously if you know boats, you know what a jet boat is, but basically, as you can see, there's no prop here. It just takes water in and shoots water out. And there's a lot of advantages to a jet boat. Yeah,
and these are all powered by Rotex as well. So same engine that's been in Sea-Doos forever.
Oh yeah, that's right. The Bombardier.
So it's definitely a tried and tested engine.
Of course. And I'm loving these wake towers on this one. This is a
195 wake edition. So this has the ballast in it. It's got tower speakers, premium sound package. So this is sort of your tow sports.
The ballast, you can flood them, right, to make a different shape wake and all that stuff. I've been hearing about these. I've actually never been on one myself. Maybe sometime this summer we'll get a chance to go to one. Oh, I'd enjoy that thoroughly. And I'm looking at the speakers. I mean, this just looks like fun, just waiting to happen.
It's loud when you want it to be.
I love it. I love it. And of course, you got Glastron.
We've got Glastron as well. So again, same thing. We'll stock these in sport models, also in classic color schemes. So this is a 200. A 20-foot boat, a GT 200, with a 200 outboard.
Oh, let me check this out. Oh, look at that big pumpkin on the back. Okay, it's supercharged?
Yes, so that's a Verado. So that's a 4-stroke Merc engine Verado, supercharged.
Wow. Okay, and stainless prop. I can just. Oh yeah, that's sweet. I'm happy. Now this particular Glastron with a 200 on, I mean, this is a 20-foot boat, so that's like 10 horsepower per foot.
That's right.
So folks, if you had a 1-foot boat in this model, which they don't make obviously, you had to be 10 horsepower on the back of it. That's really, really sweet. And this GTS here,
so this is a GTS 205. So this is the IO version of this outboard model we just looked at.
Okay, so it's a very similar boat. Of course, this one in particular has a wakeboard tower. You can add those to different models. It's just incredible the variety you can get. And this one's an inboard.
That's right.
So
it's got a Merc 250 horsepower in it.
Okay, inside. And
It's got the GTS color scheme on it. So it's a sport. It is a sport model. The boat itself does not change. So it doesn't matter which models you go with. If it's a 4 Winds or a Glastron, the boat, the layout, everything stays the same. It's just color scheme and graphics.
Nice, nice. And I love the big swim platform on this guy. And it's, you know, it's like a textured rubber foot supports, or whatever you want to call it. What is the exact term you'd use for that?
They call it sea foam or sea deck.
Sea deck. That's the term I'm looking for. Sorry, folks, got a little tongue-tied there. And it's 2 levels. Of course, this is the extended part here. Now, can you get this boat with or without this?
Yes, you can.
There's nothing you can't do. Nothing you can't do, Jake.
That's right.
And this Glastron here, again, we're back into an outboard. This is the 200.
So now we're going to what they call a GTD 200.
Okay.
So this is a new model.
Okay.
And this has the deck boat style top to it.
Hence the D.
That's right.
Wow. So it's nice when the words and the letters actually mean something.
That's right.
Because sometimes they don't, but in this case they do. And again, an outboard with a 115 on it. Nice, do everything boat. Is that a ski pole?
That is.
So, you know, a nice boat. It's not a wake boat. You can wakeboard behind it if you wanted to, but it's designed kind of for everything. This is an interesting shape to the hull here. I like that.
It is, yeah. It's very neat at the front as well.
Oh, yeah. That's, of course, you got a squared off front.
Yeah.
Man. So we'll do some walk-arounds on these in depth later, folks. We're going to get into the glass here this season, but it's just nice to wander through. This is just the front row, people. Just the front row. Boat warehouse is huge. They've got so many boats in stock. You know, whatever you're looking for, I can almost promise you they probably have it sitting in stock somewhere, whether it's covered or sitting here open. This GTS, I love the stripe. Like,
Beautiful.
It is. I mean,
Black gel at the bottom, so it's two-tone.
Absolutely gorgeous. This is nice. I mean, I love the blue. I said that already, but the red is, that's just nice. You know, this is, I'm just trying to picture this on the water zipping around the lake. I mean, everybody's gonna look at you.
That's right.
Yeah, that's a beaut. That's a beaut. And then you mentioned the center consoles and the Wellcraft, and this is a center console and a Scarab.
That's right. So this is a center console jet. So this is a new, they call this an open. And this boat has something that no other boat has. This has a tailgate.
Oh, wicked.
This guy actually folds down, so you can put your skis on, you can put your wakeboard on, you can do whatever you want with this. Even a table mount back here if you just want to sit and have some lunch.
You can put the table on the back.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh my goodness. Isn't that cool? Here, hang on. Oh, is that ever well made? Listen to that, folks. That is just incredible. Just solid. So I've always been a fan of the Scarabs. A buddy of mine has one, loves it. He's addicted to it. He actually had some custom pillows made up that say Scarab on them. It's crazy. And I mean, this is a legendary brand, and it's amazing, and it's great that you guys carry this, because I'm a big Scarab guy. I love them. Someday, one of these is in my driveway, I'll tell you. The center console gives you so much room to walk around. You know, we should do a walk around on this one sometime, just on this boat.
Yeah, we will.
It's amazing. And as you can see, folks, walking with Jake, look at these boats. I mean, I know the camera's kind of zoomed way back, but they're just everywhere. Everywhere. And this is just the main yard. What's this over here?
That's an HD 220.
HD 220.
So yeah, we talked about the HD 180, HD 200. This is the big brother to it. They also make this model on an outboard.
You can get an outboard in this size of boat?
On a 22 foot, 24 foot.
Wow, look at how deep the hull is. Now you're standing there and it's above your head.
Yeah.
Like right here, folks, I'm just reaching up. I'm almost 6 foot tall. I wish I was a little taller, but that's incredible. And
big boat.
Yeah, it is a big boat. Nice tandem trailer.
There's your blue, Rob.
Oh, a GTS in blue. And look at it. It's got an accent stripe on it. Goes right down deep. Oh yeah, that's my style too. There's just so much stuff here. So, folks, if you're looking for anything, a glass, you're looking for aluminum, you're looking for a tuber, you know, you're looking for you're into cruisers, anything, it's all here at the boat house. So thanks again, Jake, for the quick tour.
Thank you, Rob.
I really appreciate it.
Coming out.